Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you the most basic smokes that everybody should actually know for map Overpass. In this video I'm going to use my own config things which I can see the grenade trajectory, show bullet impacts, fly and many more. So basically if you want to know how to create this kind of config, just watch one of our previous videos. But now let's start with the smokes. Okay, first smoke is for bank on A sides. For this, simply come here to A short and then you will stand here in the corner of the short and you will aim, as you can see here, this tower, you will aim to the top of this like ring or whatever it is on the right side, smoke and throw. And as you can see, bank is smoked. Okay, another smoke that you can throw for the bank actually is from this corner. So we will stand here and you will aim, as you can see, this like A. So this line, you will go straight to the top of the building and jump throw. And as you can see, the bank is again smoked. Another way how you can actually smoke bank at the A side is again from this corner, and you will come here and you will aim to the top of this like ring and right in the middle, then jump throw. And as you can see, the bank is again smoked. Okay, another way how you can actually throw this bank smoke is that you will come here to long, you will stand right here to the lamp, line yourself with the smoke, so like this, and then you will aim, as you can see here, those two dots, you will aim to the upper one and you will actually jump throw. And as you can see, another smoke for the bank. Or for the bank smoke from the long, again you can come here to the right side of those like doors and you can aim this time to the top of the A and just left click. And as you can see, the really nice bank smoke. Okay, next let's say we want to smoke here, the side. For this, simply come again on the long, line yourself with the lamp again. And then as you can see those two balls on the like fans, you will aim to the top of the left one and to the like left side of the right one. So you will go up till you know the right angle here will be. Smoke and then just throw. And as you can see, the A side is smoked. Or the second variant for the smoke is actually from from the right side of this like gate. So just stand simply here and then you will aim as this fence is crossing the B. So right here at this place and simply just throw. And as you can see, A side is again smoked. Okay, nextly, if you want to smoke side from the A short actually, so you can come here to the corner again and you will aim just right in the middle of the tower like this and jump throw. And as you can see, the side is smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke here, right between the truck and the boxes on the A side. For this, you have to come long again. You will come here to the corner and the long. And then, as you can see here, this fence, this corner, you will aim to the top from this till you will hit the level of the top of the bank. So like this and throw. And as you can see, A side is smoked. In case you would like to smoke the truck itself, for this you have to come here to the A short and you will stay simply here to the corner close to the bench. So just stay in the corner and then you will aim like this like whatever it is, the pictures of WC of women and men. So you would aim in the middle between their heads and straight to the top of this. So actually then just throw. And as you can see, the truck is smoked. And basically the same smoke you can throw from this corner too, so you will simply come here to the corner from the bench and the wall and you will aim on the head of the man, so like this, and just throw again. And as you can see, track is again smoked. Okay, so nextly, let's say that you want to smoke a stair. For this, you will simply come to the A long and you will stay right on the top of the lamp shadow, so like this. And then we will aim, as we aimed before, to the upper dot on the wall. So again, we are aiming for this in the middle of the dot and we will jump throw. And as you can see, the stairs are smoked. Okay, if you want to smoke stairs at the A side from A short, so simply you will come here on the bench, you will jump on, you will come to the end of the bench, and then you will aim to the top of like this, whatever it is, and you will aim like to the right side from it a little bit, and then left click. And as you can see, stairs are smoked. Okay, now I'm going to show you the smoke for the entrance to the A main. So this is actually something like the fake smoke because you can throw it actually from the T spawn. So the CT players can think that you are going A, but in reality you can simply go B or wherever you want. So you have to stand here on the top of the stairs. You will stay here right to the fence. Then you will aim like is the right top corner of this wall. And you will aim till you will go right above the top of this like tree. So up, and then you will simply run through. And as you can see, the entrance is smoked. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you a few smokes for the B side. So first is simply here when you want to be safe from the players playing at the Graffiti or the CT. So for this simply you will stay here to the corner of the barrel, and then you will aim like is the second I don't know, semaphore from the bottom, and you will go right till you will be right above like this part of here, so to the top, and then just throw. And as you can see, this area is smoked. And actually no player from CT can see through this, and you can go simply to the side and plant safely the bomb. Okay, the same smoke you can actually throw from the water already, so you will simply come here to the corner of the B like table and the wall. And then as you can see here, the lowest cable of them all, and as it meets the actually roof of this building, so you will throw it right here when it's meeting together and just throw. And as you can see, the bridge is again smoked. Okay, nextly let's say that you want to smoke bridge again, but in a little bit different way. So you will come here to the corner in front of the B, and then you will aim, as you can see, this like line. So it's top, bottom. You will aim like into the middle, to the right side actually, from this, and little bit to the top. And as you can see, this is actually pretty simple smoke for the B bridge. If you want to throw smoke right on the B side, so you could easily and safely plant, you can simply come here again in front of the B. You will stand here to the corner of the walls on these trash bags, and then you will aim to the top of this tower and right actually on the top of the top. So then just throw. And as you can see, the B side is smoked. Okay, nextly let's say that we want to smoke right here to the right side from the column. So for this you will simply come here in front of the B. You will stand right to this wall, to this like wide mark on the wall. And then you will aim, as you can see here, like this rectangle on the wall, so in the middle. And then you will aim to the top till you will meet this like bridge. So the top of the bridge, right above the middle of this rectangle. And then just throw. And as you can see, the right side of the big pillar is actually smoked. You can throw the same smoke to the pillar B actually from in front of the A, so it actually would be the fake smoke. So for this you will simply stay here to this like column or pillar, right to the middle, and then you will aim to the top from this building till you will hit the level of this corner of the building. So simply go right from this till you will hit right above this building, where is this like break of the building, or simply from the right side of those windows. So like this, and then just throw. And as you can see, the pillar is again smoked. Okay, so nextly, let's say that we want to smoke the graffiti. For this, simply come here to the water, and you will stand right here in the corner of the B water, and you will aim like it's this tower, so to the bottom left of the tower, as you can see here. So simply just throw. And as you can see, the graffiti are smoked. And if you want to smoke the right side, so actually nobody can peek through this and nobody can see through this, you will have to come again here in front of B. You will stand right in between those two like tubes, so right in between, and then you will aim again on the tower, but not on the same place, but actually, as you can see, this wide ring, so you will aim to the left top of the ring like this and throw. And as you can see, the right side is smoked again. Okay, next smoke I'm going to show you is like right here to this side, to be actually safe from the heaven player. So for this, you have to come here to the B water again. You will stand here to the corner of the B water, and then as you can see here, this like part of the bridge, you will aim to the left side from it and just throw. And as you can see, side is smoked and you are actually safe from the heaven player. And in case you would like to smoke the water, you will come again on the same position to the corner, and now you will aim actually to the right side from the same block as we aimed before. So right side, throw. And as you can see, the water is smoked, so actually you can decide which of those two smokes you want to throw on the B side. Okay, nextly, let's say that you want to smoke the heaven B. So for this, simply you will have to come here in front of B. You will stay here on the pallets straight to the corner, and then you will aim simply right here. So just throw. And as you can see, the heaven is smoked. Or simply when you want to smoke B heaven, simply come again here to this pallet with the B letter. You will crouch, then you will aim to this again construction, but this time you will aim like right at this part, as you can see here. So at the end of this like little bit tougher part. So right here, you will just left click. And as you can see, heaven is smoked, and it is actually so much easier smoke than this before. Okay, next let's talk about some city smokes too. So first of all, come here and stay right here into this corner, and then you will aim as this vertical line is connecting to the stairs and like this corner. So you will aim to the right in the middle and you will left click. Thanks this, you can have here actually on the stairs small bug smoke, thanks which you can see the enemy and they barely can see you actually. Okay, when you want to smoke a long from the track, so simply you will come here to the corner and then you will aim to the top from the second leaf, as you can hear, like first second. So to the top from it till you will hit the top corner of this building. So like this and throw. And as you can see, the A long is perfectly smoked. Okay, next let's say that you are covering the B heaven and you know that they are pushing you, so you can throw some kind of bug smoke for yourself. So we will stand here to the corner of this like shell or whatever it is, and you will aim here to and actually simply left click. As you can see, smoke just dropped and you have a tiny gap here, so you can peek the enemy and they can't actually see you. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you another bug smoke, this time in the connector. So simply you will have to come here to the corner, stay here, and then as you can see here this orange arrow, so we will go to the end of it till you will hit actually this like line, this wall. So and then you will simply left click. And as you can see, the connector is smoked and you can actually crouch and peek. So when you will stay here, you can actually see to the end of the connector and they can barely see you. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you another one-way smoke. So for this, simply you will come here to this corner and you will aim, as you can see here, this piece of fence. So you will aim like in the middle of the fence, as you would hit like almost the middle of the barcode, so like here, and then you will middle throw the nade. So you will click the left and right button of the mouse at the same time and then release. As you can see, the smoke dropped right on the pallets and you can actually see here the enemy players and they can't see you. So basically you can see their legs and many more. A really good smoke. Okay, next smoke is again one way for you. So simply you will run out from the toilets and you will aim to the left top side of the bin and you will just run through like this. And then you can just jump on the bench and you can peek your enemies in the hell. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke the B short from the A side, so you can simply come here to the corner of this like box and the fence, and you will aim like, as you can see, right between those two connections with the cable, so right here, and just left click. And as you can see, the B short is smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke the tube in front of the B from the A side. So actually at the start of the round, simply come here and you will stay to the left side of this like building. And then as you can see here, those boxes on the track, so we will aim to this like middle one where is actually this vertical pillar. So we will aim to this part of the right side and a little bit to the top like this and throw. And as you can see, the pipe in front of the B is smoked. Another way how you can actually smoke it from A side is that you will come here to the A side, straight to this box close to the bank, right in the middle. And then you will aim, as you can see, the horns on the top of the track. So you will aim to the right side, right one, and then you will jump throw. And as you can see, the pipe in front of the B is again smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke monster from A side. For this you have to simply come here to the middle of this like box and you will crouch. You will hold the crouch for the whole time. You will find this window at this like building and you will aim a little bit above the building, so like this, and then jump throw till you are still crouching. And as you can see, the monster is smoked. Okay, that is actually another way how you can smoke monster from a side. So simply you will come here to the like exhaust of this truck and then you will aim to the top, and as you can see here, this triangle, so we will aim right in the middle of this like cable and just left throw. And as you can see, monster is again smoked. And from the same place and in the same way, actually you can smoke the bridge at the B. So simply stand here to the exhaust of the truck, then again aim in the middle of this triangle and then simply jump throw. And as you can see, the B bridge is smoked again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope I helped you. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, simply hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe. We really need it. And if you would like to know about every new video that we planning, that we recording, and that will be uploaded on this channel, simply follow our Patreon for more information. But ladies and gentlemen, that is really all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.